Have you ever wondered how engineers accurately measure angles with an accuracy of just a few minutes or even seconds? In today's video, we'll learn two of the most important precision instruments used in mechanical metrology, the Bevel Protractor and the Sine Bar. We'll also solve numerical problems step by step. Many machine components require precise angular surfaces. Examples include cutting tools, V-blocks, dovetail guides, chamfers, fixtures, and machine slides. A bevel protractor is a precision instrument used to measure or set angles ranging from 0 to 360 degrees. Let's look at a practical demonstration. First, place the stock firmly against the reference surface. Then adjust the blade to match the inclined surface. Lock the screw and read the degree on the main scale, then read the vernier scale. For example, if the main scale shows 35 degrees and the vernier scale aligns at 20 minutes, the final reading is exactly 35 degrees and 20 minutes. For very accurate angle measurement, engineers use a sine bar along with slip gauges. It works on the principle of a right-angled triangle. Sin theta equals the height of slip gauges divided by the distance between rollers. In a practical demonstration, we arrange the slip gauges, place the sine bar over them, and then position the workpiece. We use a dial indicator to check the alignment. When the dial indicator shows zero movement throughout the surface, the workpiece is perfectly aligned at the required angle. Let's solve an example. If the length of the sine bar is 200 mm and slip gauge height is 100 mm, we find the angle. Divide the slip gauge height by the sine bar length. Then take the inverse sine using a scientific calculator, giving us exactly 30 degrees. Applications include tool room inspection, CNC machining, precision manufacturing, automobile industry, aerospace components, and quality control laboratories. If this practical demonstration helped you understand bevel protractors and sine bars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.